What's going on, everybody? Welcome back, if so, to another market update video here at Benefit Central. I'm Benjamin, and today Bitcoin in the S&P charts. But before I get right into the market, please leave a like, drop a comment, and please subscribe if you could. I greatly appreciate it. Everybody, I did just hop into a trade going long on Bitcoin. We did approach the breaking of 24,000. As long as we can break, I will keep in. As long as we can keep the momentum going forward, I will stay in this trade, looking around 27,000 for my TP. As long as we don't get any resistance along the way, I don't see any. But as of right now, that is the top for my TP, around 27,000, and my long is set in right now. But as long as everything goes as planned, we have a cross approaching for the Bitcoin right now on our indicators, showing more bullish momentum. However, you have seen that we've broken through several of our lines right now, several of our resistances, including our indicators. So I put in another long, another conservative long. I waited for the approach. There was an entry around 22,500, the breakage of that, but I avoided that just to see what we could really do. I didn't know how far we would realistically push. We pushed a lot in the past few days, so I didn't know how much we were realistically going to do. But waking up and seeing that Ethereum ended up breaking bullish as well, hopping real quick right into that. You'll see that that is also breaking above its triple bottom and neckline. So hopefully this is leading the markets right now with the sympathy play of the S&P 500. We did open bullish as well with that, but as well as Bitcoin and the Ethereum, you can see that we are getting this cross for the bullish momentum. So as long as we can continue this, we should see prices of Ethereum back to around 1,700 to, I would say, 2,000. Just because that's the top and bottom of this consolidation here. But as long as we can break out of that one with zero resistance, or not even zero resistance, just as long as we can keep that level. I do expect a bit of resistance though. But as long as we can keep this level and then range out of our descending channel, we would be full bullish. Be a good recovery, although we are still in this channel, so I don't expect too crazy of a price for Ethereum just yet. If the market realistically wanted to, I could see a high price of 2,400 for Ethereum. Just the way everything's been moving, everything's been chaotically pumping. So as long as well, in the short term, but as long as we can see that, the max would be obviously towards the indicators, just because we got under them. But looking in the monthly, this is what I want to see for Bitcoin's monthly. Just trying to get that bull 180 to come and kick in, or at least negate our GBI effect that can still kick in. We don't want another leg down, but it's not looking like it as of yet. But it kind of still is there, so just keep that in mind. But as of right now, 1,000 was our lowest for Ethereum. But jumping back into the daily, like I said, as long as we can get this cross, we will get back into the ranges over here. So if you look at the Bitcoin charts, as long as we can break through this, we should see ranges over here. The bottom of that range is 2,700, around there, as long as we get this cross and no resistance up. I do believe we should see prices around there. If they wanted to be extreme, we could see higher prices of 35,000 Bitcoin. I doubt it as of right now, but that would be your price tag if you wanted to be crazy, since in the short term the Bitcoin price has been pumping. Although diving into diving right into the S&P 500 real quick, just to show you what's been leading us. Looking at the daily real quick, it's a nice W right here, but we finally broke above our neckline, which we wanted, closed in our neckline, but finally broke above it with the next daily, came back for a retest, pushing up. I do expect to see some resistance though, around our 4,000 or 39.97 level, just because that is the bottom, or the top, of our descending channel. Mine is a bit different just because I believe that this is realistically where the channel is. Some people have it a little bigger, they're including this. I think that was our failed attempt to break out of this, because there was mentions of stimulus, I believe, back then, and it's not too far back. But I do anticipate a bit of resistance like we have several times, although there is plenty of bullish momentum that had kicked into the markets, and plus our indicators are pulling up with a curl and a cross. So I do believe that we could, if anything, see a break, hopefully a close. But if we don't close, I will see us back into our range, if anything. But as of right now, it's really realistically, we're waiting to see what today does. Today realistically is the breaker for everything, just because of where the S&P finally is at in its charts. But if we were to take a look at the rest of the cryptos just real quick to show you guys how everything is going, again showing you Ethereum and again showing you XRP, where we are at this triple bottom neckline formation. You can see that we finally just approached our neckline for XRP, so as long as I can get a close above 38 cents, I believe it was around 38 cents, I will be longing XRP as well. Excuse me. But I do expect a price at around 50 cents, 52 cents, 51 cents, if we do continue, our bullish momentum. However, buddy, that was just another quick market update video for you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ciao.